Hello, I'm Dr. Tulika Chauhan, Senior Consultant, Cornea Refractive Department, Center for Sight Eye Institute. क्या आपको किसी ने कभी बताया है कि आई ड्रॉप्स का इस्तेमाल कैसे करना चाहिए? Most of us go to doctor for the regular examination and sometime for the problems. बट जब भी आपको आई ड्रॉप्स लिखी जाती हैं तो कभी किसी ने बताया कि आई ड्रॉप्स आप कैसे डालें जिसका आप 100% आपकी आंखों में इस्तेमाल हो? तो let's demonstrate that in today's video. So I will demonstrate how to put eye drop in my patient. So thank you very much for joining me here. So very important thing that your hand should be clean. So here I am using a sanitizer. You can wash your hand with the soap and water and you can use a sanitizer. But remember that if you're using a sanitizer, then your hand should be dry because it's a chemical. It can give you some kind of itching sensation on the skin where you touch with the sanitizer. So let's dry it out. Another point I want to cover here that patient can be in a sitting position or in the lying down position. For the video sake, I am making her sit here so that I can demonstrate how to put an eye drop. So when the sanitizer is dried out, you can hold the bottle and you can open the bottle like this. You can tighten it up. There is a pin which will open the bottle, and when you open it, never touch the nozzle. It's very important to maintain the nozzle hygiene. So when you open the bottle, and then what we are going to do, the first thing is never touch the upper lid. Ask patient to look a little bit up and look up please, and pull the lower lid like this and make a pocket here and just little bit up, and from the distance you put a drop in the patient's eye and ask the patient to close the eye slowly, and the moment you put the drop, put the nozzle, the cap back and ask the patient to close the eye and use their index finger and ask them to just put it here where there's an opening, where there's a channel between the eye and the throat. So this is a practice we should do after every drop because she's blocking the duct which is taking the medicine to the throat. So what will happen, अगर आपकी दवाई कड़वी है तो आपको थ्रोट में सेंसेशन होगा और बहुत से बच्चों को इसमें वॉमिटिंग सेंसेशन लग सकता है. So this procedure is very important after putting a drop. You can do this for 5 minutes. Please remove your finger now and open your eyes. So in this way, you are going to use all the eye drops in the eye and nothing will go in the throat. And throat में दवाई जाने के बाद जो आपको इरिटेशन होता है वो भी आप अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. So do it after every drop. Suppose आपको 2 या 3 ड्रॉप बताई गई डॉक्टर के द्वारा जो आंख में डालना है, उस केस में हर ड्रॉप्स के बीच में आपको 5 मिनट्स का अंतर रखना है और 5 मिनट्स के लिए आप आंख बंद करके रखेंगे और इस डक्ट को ब्लॉक करेंगे. इससे आप दवाई का 100% इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.